Good evening, everybody. I do regret not being able to receive this award in person, but I'm sure that all of you can appreciate that a 40,000 kilometre round trip is a bit of an undertaking. Nonetheless, I would like to be able to spend just a couple of minutes explaining to you why this award really does mean so much to me. When I retired just over 10 years ago, I knew there was unfinished business. That is to say, the technology that we use to specify, to measure, and to predict lighting is out of step with people's response to the visible effects of lighting. And with a technology that's out of step, we have no proper way of measuring how effectively we apply lighting, and without that, no proper measure of the efficiency with which we apply lighting. Yes, it is as fundamental as that. We need a redefinition because, you see, the people who set our technology in the early years of the last century simply could not envisage an era in which, if things need to be seen, they are designed to be seen. We've got our self-luminous screen-based tasks now. In fact, with some cases, we've actually eliminated the need to see them, as with barcode readers used in supermarkets. So if we were, in fact, to apply our technology in the way it was intended, to identify the critical visual task and ensure a satisfactory standard of visual performance, we'd be lighting these spaces to less than 1 lux. That's ridiculous. We need a completely changed understanding of what is the purpose of lighting. Now, you can look virtually anywhere within lighting technology and see issues that don't really match up. But I'm going to restrict my comments today to indoor lighting because, well, it's the area that interests me most. As I see it, the purpose of indoor lighting practice is to satisfy, or better still, to exceed people's expectations for how lighting influences the appearance of their surroundings. And a switch across to lighting for appearance of surroundings would radically change lighting practice. It would change the whole notions we have of what is effective provision of lighting and what is efficient provision of lighting. It would be a substantial change. So where, in fact, do I need to come to address these ideas? Well, it was in lighting that London, that it all started for me. Yep, this coming January will mark the 60th anniversary of me becoming an associate of the Illuminating Engineering Society of Great Britain, and it was at London meetings that I first encountered people for whom lighting is not just a business or a job, but a real passion and an interest. I, therefore, just want to be able to say to you all that I am delighted to receive this award. I was so pleased last October when I was able to call in and give a presentation and catch up with a whole lot of you. And now this award signals to me that the need for change in lighting is a shared vision, a vision that I really believe that you're trying to share with me. Thank you so much.